Welcome all students. Last week we have learned up to that 1.2 exercise. Today the same exercise will be continued, that is from 8th sum. Okay, let me start with the 8th sum. 8th sum is simplify 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 divided 3 by 10 into 3. Show that it is a rational number lies in between 11 and 12. Okay, let me find out the answer. So 1 by 2 plus, here the denominators are not same. So take 2 5, take this 2 5, the LCM is 10. Here 2 5s are 10. So 3 5s are 15 minus 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4. This division will be changed as multiplication. So reciprocal 10 by 3 into 3. This 3 and 3 will be cancelled. 1 by 2 plus 15 minus 4 is nothing but 11. So 11 by 10 into 10. Here 10 10 will be cancelled. So 1 by 2 plus 11. So now one is in fraction, other one as whole number. Let me consider this here as 1. So for 2 comma 1, the LCM is 2. Here 2 ones are 2. So 1 2s are 1 into 1 is 1. Here 1 2s are 2. 11 2s are 22. So 1 plus 22 is nothing but 23 by 2. Now it is in improper fraction. You have to convert this as a mixed fraction. So 2, 11 times 11 2s are 22. Remainder is 1. So 11 1 by 2. Now 11 1 by 2 lies in between 11 and 12. Surely it lies in between 11 and 12. That is, it is 11 and a half. So it should be lies in between 11 and 12. So this is the answer of this question. The next sum, ninth one, that is, it is also simplified. Simplify 11 by 8 into minus 6 by 33 plus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 5 divided 9 by 20 minus 4 by 7 into minus 7 by 5. Here, the first step is cancel this 8 and 6. 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6. Again, 1 3s are 3, 11 3s are 33. So this 11 and 11 cancel. In numerator, minus 1 is remaining. In denominator, 4 is remaining. Here, the same 1 by 3 comes as it is. 3 by 5. Divide, replace as multiplication. So reciprocal 20 by 9. Here also 7 is cancelled. So the remaining is minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5. Here 1 5s are 5, 4 5s are 20. 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Here minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. Here remaining in numerator 4. Here 3 minus into minus plus. So 4 by 5. Minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3 plus 4 by 5. So next step, minus 1 by 4 plus, denominators are same, so write as it is 3. 1 plus 4 is nothing but 5. Then 4 by 5. Here minus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 3 plus 4 by 5. Here the denominators are not same. Again you have to find out the LCM. So for 4 3 5. 4 3 5. There is no common divisor. So you have to multiply this 4 into 3 into 5. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. So the LCM is 60. So minus 1 by 4 multiply by 15, then only you will get 16. So in numerator also 15 plus here 5 by 3 multiply by 20, then only you will get 3 20s are 60 plus 4 by 5 multiply by 12. Okay. So the next one is minus 1 into 15 is minus 15 by 60 plus 5 20s are 100 by 60 plus 4 12s are 48 by 60. Here the denominators are same. So write 60. Here 100 plus 48 is 148. 148 minus 15. The answer is 133. It is in improper fraction. If you want to change it as mixed fraction, you do it. Otherwise, you just leave it as it is. So 133 by 20. Take it. 2 60s are 120. So remaining here is 13. So 13 by 16. 13 by 16 is the answer of this sum. The next topic is properties of rational numbers. Properties of rational numbers. There are some properties. We have to satisfy that some properties. Okay. The first one is closure property. Closure property. That is, if any two rational numbers A and B, then A plus B into A into B. A plus B and A into B. Closure property. First property is closure property. Any two rational numbers A and B, then A plus B and otherwise you write here and A into B. What is that A closure property means? Let me see. That is, first you consider A as 3 by 4, then B as minus 1 by 2. Okay. Find out first A plus B. This is normal addition. That's all. 3 by 4 plus of minus 1 by 2. Okay. Here, the denominators are not same, but 4 is the LCM. So 3 plus into minus minus. 2 2s are 4. So 1 2s are 2. So the answer is 1 by 4. The answer is 1 by 4. The same A into B. A into B means you have to multiply this rational numbers. 3 by 4 into minus 1 by 2. So 4 2s are 8. 3 into minus 1 is nothing but minus 3 by 2. So this is the closure property. Okay. So the next one is commutative property. The next one is commutative property. What is that commutative property means? Any two rational numbers A and B, then first one is A plus B is equal to B plus A. Second one, A into B is equal to B into A. Commutative property. Any two rational numbers A and B, then first one A plus B is equal to B plus A. Second one, A cross B is equal to B cross A. Okay, let me find out. The same, you consider this A as 3 by 4, B as minus 1 by 2. First one, A plus B is nothing but 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2, 4. So 3, here is 2. The answer is 1 by 4. Isn't it, ma? So same as B plus C. What is B plus C? So B is minus 1 by 2. A is 3 by 4. So here the same, the LCM as 4. So minus 2 plus 3, the answer is 1 by 4. Therefore, A plus B is equal to B plus A. The same answer comes. For A plus B, the answer is 1 by 4. For B plus A, the answer is 1 by 4. So it satisfies, the rational number satisfies the commutative property. So the rational number satisfies the commutative property, that is A plus B is equal to B plus A. The second condition, what is A into B? B into A. A into B. What is A? Is nothing but 3 by 4. What is B? Minus 1 by 2. So 4 2s are 8. 3 into minus 1 is nothing but minus 3. So the answer is minus 3 by 8. Next one is B into A. B into A. So B is minus 1 by 2 into what is A? 3 by 4. Again 2 4s are 8. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. So here both the answer are same. A into B is minus 3 by 8. B into A is minus 3 by 8. So A into B is equal to B into, therefore A into B is equal to B into A. So it satisfies the commutative property. Okay. So the next one is, the next one is associative property. Okay, what is that associative property? Here there are three rational numbers. Any three rational numbers, any three rational numbers. Okay, the first one is A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. The second condition is A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Okay, let me see one example here. Okay, for that A is equal to minus 1 by 2. A is equal to 1 by 2. B is equal to 3 by 5. B is equal to 3 by 5. C is equal to minus 7 by 10. C is equal to minus 7 by 10. Okay. So the first condition is A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay. So A plus B plus C. Here what is A? Minus 1 by 2 plus what is B? 3 by 5 plus of minus 7 by 10. Here what is A? Minus 1 by 2. Okay. Plus B plus 3 is 3 by 5 plus into minus minus, so 7 by 10. Okay. So here the denominators are not same. 2 by 2 comma 5, the denominator not same. So you take the LCM. For 2 and 5 the LCM is 10. Okay. So here 2 5s are 10, minus 1 into 5 is minus 5 plus 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6. Here the same, plus into minus minus 7 by 10. Here minus 1 by 2. Here also denominators are not same. So for 5 comma 10 take 10 as an LCM. So here 5 2s are 10. So 3 2s are 6 minus 7. Okay. Here one is minus sign, one other one is plus sign. So you have to add this. Minus 5 plus 6, the answer is 1 by 10 minus 7 by 10. Here minus 1 by 2 plus 6 minus 1 by 10. Okay, now tell me what is the LCM here. Here the denominators are same. 10. 1 minus 7 is nothing but minus 6. Here the denominators are not same. Take 10 as an LCM. Here 2 5s are 10. So minus 1 5s are 5 minus 1. Okay. So minus, what is that answer here? Tell me ma. Here minus 1. Here also minus 6 by 10. Here also minus 6 by 10. Let me simplify this. 3 2s are 6. 5 2s are 10. Here 3 2s are 6. 5 2s are 10. So minus 3 by 5 is equal to minus 3 by 5. So here the both the sides are equal. So it satisfies the commutative property. That is the first property. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay. So the next one. So the next one is the next property. Next that commutative property is A cross B into A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Okay. Let me find out. Minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 5 into minus 7 by 10 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 5 into minus 7 by 10. Okay, so here 5 minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 by 10 into minus 7 by 10 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Here minus 3 into 7 is minus 21. 5 tens are 50. Here 10 tens are 100. Minus into minus plus 3 sevens are 21. Here 5 into 2 into 50 is nothing but 100. Minus into minus plus, so 121s are 21. So both the sides are equal. 21 by 100. Here also 21 by 100. Therefore A cross B, so that is A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. So the rational number satisfies the commutative property. Now we have learned up to this three properties, that is closure property, associative property, then commutative property. So rational number satisfies the closure property, associative property as well as commutative property. So then the next two more properties are there. We will continue the properties in the next week. Okay. So thank you, children.